Welcome to the very first Rhino tutorial. In this series, we'll design a belt step by step. Before we start modeling, let's get familiar with the interface. I'll point out each area and show you how to switch views and navigate inside Rhino. When Rhino opens, you'll see a list of templates. From this list, I'll choose small objects, millimeters, and then click open. This gives us the correct scale for modeling a belt. Here we are in Rhino. At the very top is the menu bar. Every command can be found here. Just below it, this white area is the command line. Keep an eye on it because Rhino always gives you instructions here. On the left side, you will see toolbars and icons. These are shortcuts to common commands. On the right side are panels. If I click properties, you will see options for editing objects. Clicking layers show how we organize our work, just like in Photoshop. And in the middle, we have the 4 viewports: top, front, right, and perspective. To activate a viewport, simply click inside it. For example, if I click inside perspective, notice the labels turns bold. That's how you know it's active. If I double click the word perspective, that view fills the whole screen. And to return to the standard 4 view layout, I just double click perspective again. Inside this perspective view, here's how you navigate. Hold the right mouse button and drag to rotate the view. Hold shift plus right mouse button to pan side to side. Scroll the wheel forward to zoom in and backward to zoom out. These 3 moves, rotate, pan and zoom, are the essentials. So let's quickly recap. We've opened Rhino with the small objects millimeters template, explored menus, toolbars, panels and viewports, learned how to activate and maximize our viewport, and practiced navigation with rotate, pan and zoom. Once you're comfortable with this, in your next lesson, we will explore different ways to launch and repeat commands.